Hello Africa, hello world. This is not a drill. We are Thebe Arts Group, and our business is to export Setswana cultural brilliance to a global stage. Now, in 2023, the industry felt the earthquake. Our track Areyeng shook the ground. We took a song born from the heart of our culture all the way to the SAMA and SATMA nominations. Listen closely. We did not bring the hardware home, and to us, that was the greatest victory, because that nomination wasn't the finish line. It was proof of concept. It proved the market is ready for authenticity, ready for the heritage. Now, we move past the nomination, we move past the album. This Friday, November 14th, we are giving that movement a visual mandate. We are dropping the official music video of Areyeng. My job as the executive chairman is to invest in disruption. This video is our next major investment into the African cultural economy. Your job is to make sure that this investment pays off. When you watch this video on Friday, you are not just watching entertainment, you are investing in a legacy. Let's go make history. Thank you.